RBI has completed its 90 years of establishment. So as part of that, for the college student, we are conducting quiz Pan India in 30 locations. And today we are having Agartala state round finals, and those who qualify in this round, they will be representing our state Tripura in the zonal rounds, which is going to be held in Guwahati later this month. And from there zonal rounds, whoever is the winner, they will represent this zone in the national finals, which is going to be held in Mumbai somewhere in December this year. And finals, the first prize is a really handsome prize of 10 lakhs. So it is to inculcate among the young minds the habit of financial saving and financial literacy, how they can be aware of financial products, and also can keep themselves safe from the cyber frauds. So this is the idea, and that is why we are trying to reach out to the college students.
As you said, the cyber fraud has become a very serious issue in our state. We have seen many people losing their hard-earned money. So, what kind of initiatives RBI is taking to tackle that situation?
On this forum, I am not authorized to talk on the RBI's initiative on the cyber fraud, but there are a lot of initiatives RBI has been taking. Like 2 years ago, we started tokenization of the card. So that is one of such initiatives, so that card details are not stolen and misused. So a couple of such initiatives are there, and it is there available in public domain. And then two-factor authentication. So we also, apart from the only password, we also need PIN. So that kind of initiatives are being taken. But the key thing here is awareness. We have to make people aware. And this quiz and conducting various workshops for the general public, not only for the college student, even for the illiterate people, villages, in schools, we keep conducting a lot of workshops so that people become aware and they know what they should do and what they should not do when they do a financial transaction.
Thank you.